like Jersey Shore Santa.
Why don't we see how it tastes?
Is there any white snails on there?
I saw them.
The toothpaste.
The past 3 challenges, you've used toothpaste. We called you out on it, and you just used it again.
Well done. I have to bring it back just to show you that it really isn't toothpaste. And made a cream cheese almond pound cake.
Okay, so
oh shit. My bad. My bad. What is that? Oh, that's the bucket of machine. Okay. So today's Monday. It's 2:33. I took off 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. So I was thinking about going back to work because my dentist appointment was at 1. Excuse me. I get there and they're like, your insurance card, blah blah. So I give it to her and she was like, no, this is just a medical card. I'm like, well, this is the only thing that they gave me. I'm thinking that's my insurance card. My primary physician took it, so I'm like, okay, what's the deal? Then they couldn't find me under this company. They couldn't find me under that company. I'm like, well, maybe they spelled it wrong. It was like, well, maybe you should try to call one of like somebody at your job or whatnot. So I did that, and I couldn't get through to nobody. Apparently, nobody came to work, or they not in their office and whatnot. So I couldn't get through to nobody. Who the fuck? What if I can't see him? For one, I waited too long to come up in here anyway. That tooth, I see it right there. That tooth has shifted. That tooth has shifted, and it's because I have basically like a lifetime wire that I didn't know I was gonna have to have when I got brackets, because my teeth were straight enough back in high school. I didn't need braces, so I got brackets. Now my teeth have moved a little bit. I'm a perfectionist. I asked them about braces. They said you wouldn't even need braces. You would need like Invisalign. So I don't know. I kind of feel like I want veneers, but they gave me a little price quote. It'd be almost $3,000 for the first 4 teeth. I don't know. Now I'm confused. I mean, $4,000. Well, $3,000 for 4 teeth ain't bad. Or $4,000 for 4 teeth isn't bad. But that's all I did today so far was go to the dentist at 1 o'clock. I left work at 12. It's 2:33. I was gonna go back, but I don't think so. Extra cavities. So them binding that wire back to that one tooth that has moved, and it's not gonna move back into place, which is kind of irritating me. And they're like, it's so small, it's so insignificant. You notice it more than anybody. I'm like, exactly, but I don't want it. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. That was $42. So just to put some glue on the tooth. So you can imagine how much veneers are. Everybody and their mama got veneers, but that's what I want. That's really what I want. I think I would like veneers. And then the dental assistant, she was like, smile. She was like, oh yeah, you don't even really need veneers. You don't need no braces either. I'm like, the dentist was like, now I ain't trying to take your money, but I mean, if you want to give it to us, go ahead. You don't really need it though. Anywho, we're on our way to the bank to deposit a check from, oh child, I'm tired of driving. That's why I'm gonna go ahead and go now, because these people, and they driving, and my driving, it's not living cohesively. So guess how my night just went. I'm over it. Somebody hit my fucking car and kept going. I had the right of way. And it's not even what my mama and my uncles be saying, like, Dominique, you too aggressive when it comes to driving. People gonna be doing dumb shit, blah, blah, blah. You need to slow down. if they gonna keep going and you know you need to stop, like blah blah blah. It wasn't even on that. It wasn't even on that, because we were at an intersection. I made my complete stop. I was turning right. They ran the damn light. I mean the stop sign and kept going. What the fuck? Oh my God, I'm done. I can't. I'm not going in tomorrow. I can already tell you now. I don't want to. Don't care to. Not going to. It's not going to happen. I'm not. Oh my God. Wow. 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 Fucking wow. The crazy thing is, I check the GPS before I take out of the garage, right? I don't leave the garage without checking the damn. I don't leave the garage without checking I don't leave the garage without checking the maps to see where the traffic is at. The highway was fucked up, so I said I ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna take the street. My first mind was to take this one street, right? Excuse me, or this one way all the way home. Then I had like something pop up in my head. Was like, well, maybe you can go the other way. So I'm sitting at the red light behind multiple people, not at the front light or whatever, in the street. So I'm like, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, like, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Which way am I going? And I'm like, you know what? Mo landed on the other side, like the second choice, not my first choice. So I said, no, I'm not gonna go that way. I'm gonna go with my first mind. My first mind and led me to a damn hit and run. So I'm pissed. Like, how dare you hit my brand new car that I ain't had for what? June, July, August, September, October, November, December. I ain't had this car for a full 6 months.
The weather outside is frightful, but the fire